DragonStrike is a 1990 video game based on the Dungeons & Dragons fantasy tabletop role-playing game. Gameplay: DragonStrike combines elements of role-playing video games and flight simulators. The player character is a knight who flies on the back of a metallic dragon equipped with a lance and various magic items. Among other things, a magic orb that acts as a radar in the game. The player's dragon can use its recharging magical breath to attack and can also attack with its claws if the dragon passes closely above enemies. Opponents in the game include evil dragons with and without riders and other flying monsters such as manticores and beholders. Flying too close to the ground is another hazard for the player, as enemy archers are present in some areas. Completing successful missions provides the character with more hit points and the opportunity to obtain a more powerful dragon, depending on what dragon the player chooses. Between a bronze, a silver and a gold dragon, the ending and missions become slightly different. Plot: the game is set in Kryn, world of the Dragonlance saga, during the War of the Lance. Publication history: Westwood Studios had ported other SSI products, but DragonStrike was its first original game for SSI. It was designed by Lewis Castle and Brett Sperry. The game was first released in 1990. DragonStrike was also ported to the Sharp X68000 and Nintendo Entertainment System in 1992. The NES had a top-down perspective and played very differently from the other platform versions. Reception: SSI sold 34,296 copies of DragonStrike. The game was reviewed in 1990 in Dragon number 161 by Hartley, Patricia, and Kirk Lesser Inc. The Role of Computers column. The reviewers gave the game 5 out of 5 stars. Computer Gaming World in 1990 called DragonStrike a superlative and innovative product that appealed to both fantasy and simulation gamers, although the magazine wished that it could import gold box characters. In a 1992 survey of science fiction games, the magazine Scorpia gave the title 4 of 5 stars, stating that, sadly, this product did not receive the attention or play that it deserved. A reviewer at GameSpy stated that Westwood Studios was finally hitting its stride as a developer with another forgotten classic and badly underrated DragonStrike. The reviewer also stated that the game looked great for its time, with beautiful VGA graphics and primitive fractals used as a terrain engine. And unlike later Dragonflight games, it rewarded thinking, strategizing, and taking the time to assess the situation before striking rather than pure reflexes, and that, while the flight model was a bit simplistic, DragonStrike is long overdue for a remake. Quote: see also, Eye of the Dragon, another Dragon Sim. Magic Carpet, game with similar gameplay. DragonStrike at Moby Games. The MS-DOS version of DragonStrike can be played for free in the browser at the Internet Archive.